What a life. It's been a while I taught the Bible. Some people have even asked me, why haven't I been teaching on my Facebook, Instagram as I used to, and I told them I now teach via my blog and YouTube. The last time I taught the word was years ago when my dad died. After then, people have died and those close to me, and it shook me, but I never posted their picture nor used their passing away to share stories of the Bible that would draw us closer to the Creator. Another time I want to teach is now that I heard the passing away of a very young guy. A very funny comedian and good wedding MC, Calibird. Everyone is writing, "Keep resting in the bosom of the Lord." When my father died at 84, I told my elder brother not the right call to glory. But because he is the first son and has more power, he didn't listen. That he has more power than me doesn't make him nor anyone right. My father served God for all I know during my stay with him, but whether he has little error with the Creator or not I didn't know. So I have been pushing a motion that anyone that dies should not be written, "Gone too soon," nor call to glory, but call to judgment, because after death comes judgment before the glory or punishment for both the saved and unsaved. And only the Creator can handle this well. Now to my point for teaching again after a while. Is Calibird in heaven now or where? Even me, I don't know. What are the things that make people go to hell? 1. Lies. 2. Fornication. 3. Pride. 4. Adultery. 5. Stealing. 6. Knowing the right thing to do and not doing it. 7. Masturbation. 8. Negative lust. Lust can be good, but most people lust negatively. 9. Idolatry. This is serving another god. And serving another god is not only going to the shrine to bow to an idol, but when you love something so much that you give it more time than your Creator. And because you don't use that thing to bring souls to the Creator or impact lives the way heaven needs it. 10. Wife beaten husband or husband beaten wife. 11. Indecent dressing. Have you noticed that almost all women in the world right now find it so pleasurable dressing naked but find it irritating dressing decently? 12. Anger. I am writing a book on anger that will blow our minds. 13. Not using your talent to bring people to heaven, rather your talent sent more people to hell. 14. If I continue to mention them we won't leave here today. Brothers and sister, are you doing any of the things I mentioned above? There are more that I didn't put because of time. Please, if you are doing any of the evils here, heaven is not for you but hell unless you transform fast, because we don't know the day death will come. And let me tell you, don't come to the Creator because you don't know when death will come. Come to Him, because what shall it benefit a man or woman if he or she gains the world and lose his or her soul? Please stop playing around. If your problem is sexually related, you can contact me. God can use me to help you. I will leave us with this. Dying old does not mean people should write "call to glory" on the obituary. A lot of people died at 100 years plus and didn't even know what purpose is. Someone can die at 10, 20, 30 etc. and fulfilled purpose. Jesus showed us an example by dying at 33, finishing his assignment. I hope we shall not fulfill our purpose, yet miss heaven because of sin. Like Moses, who fulfilled his purpose and because of anger missed it. Till God brings me your way again. I am Professor Holy Rock. And am saying, remain sexually clean.